Hello friend, today we'll discuss about the ECAM control panel electrical page, and just press the electrical page on ECAM control panel. On lower ECAM you'll get this electrical page pop out. So we'll just go through quickly about all the indication, then we'll go in more detail about the electrical page. So first, this is if you'll talk about this, number one, this is your battery indication, and number two is your battery charger or discharge indication, your DC bat indication, and this is your AC bus bar, AC bus 1, bus 2, then this is your TR1, TR2, then this is your essential TR, this is your emergency generator, this is your DC essential bus bar, this is your Gen 1, this is your Gen 2, this is for APU generator, and this is for external power. This is your IDG indication, number 2, number 1, this is your IDG temperature, then this is your IDG disconnect, low pressure, you will get amber caution here, and this is your galley set, then this is your rise indication. This is all about the indication on the electrical page. So this is your normal configuration of the electrical page. Each engine generator supplies is associated bus via the generator line contactor 1 and generator line contactor 2, and AC bus 1 supply the AC essential. So you can see AC bus 1 is supplying to the AC essential bus via contactor. Then TR1 supply DC1 and DC essential, and DC bad bus. TR2 supply the DC2. Two batteries, here you can see two batteries are connected to the DC bad bus, and if they need charging, when they are fully charged, battery charger limiter will disconnect it. So this is your battery charger limiter, which will show the discharging indication. Once it will discharge, then it will goes out from the ECAM view. So this is all about the normal configuration or in-flight configuration. Whenever both engine IDG is available, IDG1 will take care of LS side of network, IDG2 will take care of RS side of network. This will never be in the parallel mode, and there is a lot of things need to be discussed. There is a abnormality situation whenever failure of AC bus 1 TR or IDG failure. So there is a lot of things need to be discussed, and lot of indication related electrical page we'll discuss one by one in part wise, because you guys have requested lot of don't put the video in fast forwarding mode. So I start making video without fast forwarding, but it is going in the multiple part for the one ECAM control panel. So guys, sit back, relax, and wait for the next ECAM control electrical page for more detail, and don't miss any part for complete knowledge about electrical page. If you go on ground configuration, there is two things. One, you will get auxiliary power unit generator. Second, you will get external power. Whatever used in the picture, that only box will be available here. Otherwise, that will be disappear from the electrical page. So we'll just take the example of the APU. This is a APU only, and APU is ready to supply all the network. So you can see APU is giving supply to AC bus 1, TR1, DC 1, then DC bat, then DC essential, and from AC1 to AC essential, here it is supplying this network AC2, TR2, and DC2. So this is about the APU configuration. Once you are using external power, it is same as the APU because power is same. So you can here also you can see it is supplying right side network supplying right side, and left side network supplying left side. So this is all about the APU, Gen and external power. Just remember, Gen 1 and Gen 2 external power, APU power, all the power is same, and rating of the generator are same. 115 volt 400 cycle is a requirement for the 115 volt 400 is same for all. If you see this photo, when only ground service are required, person can select the maintenance bus. You can see in forward galley there is a switch for maintenance bus. So this will allow to energize the AC and DC ground flight bus directly without supplying entire network. So you can see once you are allowing that switching on that maintenance bus, then this contactor will release and it will not supply to the network, and this will give directly supply to AC ground and flight bus. So this is the normal condition about the maintenance bus. If we'll go in further, abnormal situation is a lot of situation, and this is very good to know information whenever you are going to discuss about the abnormal situation. So we'll start discuss one by one, and same thing we'll not discuss in the A324 whenever I'll teach about the electrical system. So here just will cover all the ECAM page and abnormal situation. So failure of one engine generator, suppose this is failed or this failed, any one generator got failed. If APU generator is available or other side generator is available, then system will automatically replace by the failed generator. So suppose this generator is failed, APU is available, APU will supply this side of the network. If this APU is not available, other side generator is available, then you can see this is supplying whole network of the electrical system. So one generator is good enough to supply whole network, one APU is good enough to supply whole network, one external power is good enough to supply whole network. So this concept is almost same for everything, but this is an abnormal situation during once one generator is failed. There is another abnormal situation if happen like AC bus 1 failure. Failure of AC bus 1 supplies the AC essential and via TR1 to DC essential. If you see the previous image, so it is supplying AC essential and via TR it is supplying to DC essential. So if AC bus 1 fail, then the AC bus 2, this bus 2 will supply to AC essential via essential TR. You can see it is supplying to AC essential, but it is getting supply from essential TR. You can see this green line, and DC essential bus also this is giving supply. DC bus 2 supply DC bus 1 and DC bad bus automatically after 5 seconds. So this is a configuration once the AC bus 1 is failure. So you can see this indication, this will be the indication. So if we will go further, another failure of TR, what will happen? Failure of TR, contactor of each TR open automatically in case of overheat and or minimum current. So there may be chance of computer will become overheat or minimum current not able to supply. If one TR fails, other TR automatically replaced by faulty one. So this is your other TR, essential TR will replace by this, and essential TR supply DC essential. So essential TR will give supply to DC essential. So you can see AC bus 1, then AC essential, then it is going to DC essential TR, then it is going to DC essential. So this is all about whenever TR, failure of TR happen. If you go in the next abnormal condition, if both the TR are lost, TR1 is also lost, TR2 also lost, then DC bus 1 and DC bus 2. If both TR is lost, DC bus 1 and bus 2, DC bus also will lost. So this TR1 lost, TR2 lost, then DC bus 1 lost, DC bus 2 lost, then DC bat are also lost, and DC essential supply by the essential TR. During this situation, from AC bus 1 it will go to AC essential, then essential TR, then it will go to DC essential. So whatever essential requirement is there, this will be fulfilled by this.
And Gen 2 will take care of AC bus 2. So network will be like that. Gen 1 will take care of AC bus 1, AC bus 1 will take care AC essential, AC essential will take care essential TR will take care DC essential, and generator 2 will give AC bus 2 supply. So this is all about the configuration whenever TR1 and TR2 will
this you can see, if external power also available, this can supply this network, and if one engine is available, just like if aircraft is inoperative with APU on arrival, what we'll do, captain will switch off one engine. So you can see generator 2 is off, once engine 2 is off, another engine is running, we will request for external power, then external power will take care of another network, and one engine will take care of another network. Once engine will shut down, then automatically this will supply to the whole network. So first image if you see, this configuration will come once aircraft is arriving with the inoperative APU and you are just connecting the external power. So there is one more good thing I just wanted to tell, very important thing. Whenever you are going to give engine runner, what is happening? Suppose you are giving engine is running idle condition, both generator 1 and generator 2 is available and it is supplying to the network. On-site generator is taking care of this and other side will take care of this all the configuration. One more very good to know information I would like to share with you guys, whoever is new, and this is also helpful for pilot and ground staff also. Everything in Airbus, everything is easy, everything is automatic, but just I wanted to tell what is the concept. Suppose you have all the, just for example, both engine is running. Engine 1 is supplying this network, engine 2 is supplying this network, means Gen 1 is giving supply to this network, Gen 2 is supplying to this network. Gen 1, Gen 2 whenever operating having priority over the APU. Suppose APU is, captain is landing and APU is available, APU power is available, but both engine also running, means APU will not utilize for the supplying the network. Gen 1, Gen 2 will be used during the flight. So Gen 1, Gen 2 always having priority over the APU generator and over the external power also. If you are connecting external power, as I told you in previously, inoperative aircraft is arrived with inoperative APU and we have connected external power. External power indication will come, but that will not give supply until unless you switch off the engine. Suppose you switch off the engine 2, then you will get supply. Then you will get supply to engine 2 area, and if you switch off both engine, then whole network taken care by the external power. And external power has priority over the APU generator. Suppose you have external power also and you have started APU also, but still APU will not give supply to the all the network because external power is available. So once you are selecting external power off, then automatically all the network is taken care by the APU. One engine generator can supply entire network, as I have explained about the failure condition. Here is the failure condition. One engine can supply whole network in case of IDG disconnected or failure of IDG. Generator cannot connected be in the parallel condition. Just remember this thing, it is in, not in parallel condition. We will discuss all the page, all the indication. This is your battery 1, this is your battery 2. So bat push button off. Once you are selecting off from overhead panel, you will get bat 1 off indication, and once you are selected on, means the battery push button is in auto condition. So here you can see 3 indication: bat 1, voltage and ampere. So this lesion will be normally white, but it's become amber when the voltage and current indication change to amber, or in case of battery fault. So if there is a fault, this will become amber. The battery voltage is normally, this will be in the green color, and this will also become amber if voltage is more than 31 voltage or less than 25 voltage, then this will become amber. And battery current will be normally in green color, become amber if discharge current is less than 5 ampere. So this will also become amber. So this is all about the push button of the battery. If you talk about this, we will not go in there. There is a lot of concept, but this is a battery charger, the charge discharge indication, and whatever you can see right now, that is your battery contactor closed, battery charging current more than 1 ampere. That's why it's in green color. If this arrow is in opposite direction from bat to DC bat side, then what will happen? You can see here. Then this condition means battery contactor closed, but battery discharge current is more than 1 ampere. That's why this indication is there. If single dash line is there, battery contactor closed, current is less than 1 ampere, and it will be in green color, single line. And if it is nothing, means battery contactor in open condition. This is your DC bat indication. This will be normally in green, and this will become amber if the DC bat voltage is less than or equal to 25 volt, then this will become amber. This is your bus bar indication, DC bus 1, DC bus 2, and this bus bar indication is normally will be in the green color. It become amber whenever corresponding bus bar is not powered. Suppose this is not powered, then this will be become amber. And set bus appear in amber whenever AC essential set bus is set. So this will come into the picture. The TR will be in the white color. There is a 2 condition. This will also become amber, means TR voltage is normally in green. This will become amber if the voltage is more than 31 voltage or it is less than 25 voltage, then this will become amber. And if we talk about the current, this will be normally green. This will also become amber if when the TR current is less than or equal to 5 ampere. So this is all about the TR. And there is a agency LTR. Here also if you see the condition, this lesion follow the logic of the above tier 1 and tier 2. It will follow the logic, and voltage and current is not displayed when the agency LTR contactor is open. So this is depend on the scenario. You can see this is not in use in the picture, that's why it's not showing. But here we are just discussing about the indication. Associated engine is running. You can see here whenever associated engine is off, then this will become amber color. And once it is on, you will get all the indication like this. You will get all the indication Gen 1, Gen 2 normally white. This will become amber. Any of the following matches. Load. This is a 26% load. Normally it will green, it become amber. If the load is more than 100%, then this will become amber. And this voltage will become amber if the voltage is more than 120 volt or less than 110. This will become amber. And this frequency will become amber if the frequency is more than 410 hertz or less than 390 hertz. This will also become amber. So this is all about the generator. And if you talk about the APU, this is your APU gen. If the APU master switch is off, this legend is white, and regardless of the position of the APU push button, this you will get white color. You can see your APU gen. When the APU master switch is on, APU gen switch is off, the APU generator is in amber color. So if master switch is on and APU gen is off, APU gen is in amber color. And if it is off, then off indication you will get. Once master switch is on, APU gen is on, then indication will be same as your generator. So if you talk about the external power not available. This will not in the picture. You can see here, not in the picture. If it is not available, whenever external power is available, you will get voltage and hertz. And here also same concept like your APU and IDG generator. So I will not tell again. Next is your static inverter. Where is the static inverter?
So a static inverter legend will appear during the static inverter test, and when pressing the electrical push button on the ECAM control panel while essential buses are supplied by the battery, it is normally will be in green, but this will also become amber whenever voltage is more than 110 volt or voltage is less than 120 volt, then it will become amber, and frequency is less than 390 hertz or more than 410 hertz, then also this will become amber.
Amber or green indication, same concept, and indication of the concept will be same as the APU external power or engine generator. Then if you see last, I think left, we'll talk about IDG. If we'll talk about this, what is this IDG indication? This is IDG legend normally in white color. This will also become amber. If the oil outlet temperature is more than 180 degree, then this will become amber. So this temperature must be monitored. It is not monitored, it is automatic monitor. You will get a amber caution. Oil pressure get too low, then also you will get amber. IDG disconnected, then also this will become amber. 1 or 2 is in white color. This corresponding engine is running. This will also become amber. If the FEDEC is not powered, then also this will become amber. Then disconnect or low pressure. Disconnect reason appear in amber whenever IDG is disconnected. Low pressure appear in amber whenever IDG low pressure is detected and associated engine is running. Then only this will come amber. Outlet temperature, this is the temperature. If you talk about the temperature, this will be normally in green range, but it will appear in amber if the temperature is more than 180 degrees Celsius. It will flashes if the temperature is more than 147 or less than 180 degrees Celsius, then you will get advisory. So flashes advisory you will get about that condition. Then this galley side, if we'll talk about galley side, this legend will appear in white whenever galley push button is off. Main galley air side meaning is in flight only and generator is operating. On ground air cut is being supplied by one engine generator only. So this is the concept behind that, and legend is not displayed whenever air cut is in normal condition. This will not come into the picture. This rise indication is optional. This number display in green is the difference between the temperature at IDG inlet and IDG outlet. So this is all about the electrical ECAM control page, and this will be almost same for every aircraft except I think Pratt and Whitney engine. You will get there is a remote oil level sensor. So remote oil level sensor will give indication in case of there is a low oil in the IDG. Then you will get because a remote oil sensor indication is coming on the electrical page, then you will get that indication, and IDG maybe you will get maintenance message also about that. So this is just good to know information about the Pratt and Whitney engine. Rest all I think all engine concept is same.
So guys, with this ECAM control panel, electrical page, both normal, abnormal and indication, everything is discussed, and same all the part available in the single video I am going to put on the YouTube. So check my YouTube channel for one single video about all the electrical page of ECAM control panel, and see you guys on the next ECAM control panel page.